Yes, Gloria? Sit. Okay, now they went to away. Yes. Wow, what did you make? Beautiful. Who's this? Whose child are you? Huh?
You.
Are you my child? Okay. This is Rawat. This is my child. Okay. What did you make? Azara, what that looks like a flower, like a garden. Beautiful. Who is that? Is it for me? Thank you. And Clint, what did Clint make? Missy? It's the pizza. A mixed pizza.
Yeah.
And Rhoda, what did you make? A mixed pizza. And this one? Can you make the letter for me? You can make the letter Azara, your name starts with the letter Can you make the for me? What did Nicole make? Are you making fingers? Okay. And Zara, what are you making? Rawat, what are you making? And okay. Oh, it's fine, yeah, give it.
But we need some melodies in colors.
It's fine, you can mix it. Say, what letter is this? What sound? Say P, O, T. P, O, T. Pot. Pot. Good. Good. Can you also make a letter? Azara, can you make a word for me? Okay. What is this? D. O. G. So what is it? D. O. G. Dog.